Do you dream of living and working in the United Kingdom? In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about getting a work visa with a sponsor in the UK. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain how you can get a sponsor work visa for the UK. Many people ask me, can a relative or friend sponsor me to work in the UK? What's the process? How easy or difficult is it? So in this video, I will cover all these questions in detail. I spoke to a friend who lives in the UK to understand the full process of getting sponsored. Let's start with the basics. The UK has a very robust and thorough visa system. It's not easy to just get a sponsor and start working. Here's how it works. The sponsorship process. Your sponsor must be a close relative or spouse who is a British citizen or settled in the UK. They need to have a registered business and clean tax records. They will create a job opening in their company, specifically suited to your skills and experience. Your credentials, experience letters, qualifications, etc. will be verified by the Home Office. Once approved, your sponsor will send you a sponsorship certificate. You then apply for the visa by providing this certificate and other documents. So the key is having a legitimate job opening tailor-made for you by your sponsor. You won't get sponsored just like that. Terms of sponsorship. You can only work for your sponsor until they give permission. Breaching terms can land you in big legal trouble. So in summary, getting a sponsorship is possible but requires a close relative or spouse to go through extensive paperwork and due diligence before sponsoring you. The legal process is rigorous. Can you visit and work? Now another common question. Can I visit the UK and start working? Honestly, I don't recommend this. The UK is extremely strict about immigration. There are security cameras everywhere. It's very risky to work illegally on a visit visa. You can get into a lot of trouble if caught. So I suggest entering the UK only through the appropriate legal channels for your own safety and security. I hope this clarifies the process of obtaining a sponsor work visa in the UK. Choosing the right UK visa. The first step is choosing the right UK visa for your goals and situation. Here are some options. Skilled worker visa, for skilled professionals with a job offer from a UK company. Requires sponsorship. Global talent visa, for highly skilled professionals in sciences, engineering, humanities, etc. Intra-company transfer visa, for multinational employees transferring to a UK branch. Student visa, to study in the UK for a short course or full degree program. Family visa, for partners, spouses, and children of British citizens or settled persons. Business visa, for business visits, not to work or settle long-term. The visa you choose depends on your nationality, employment status, family ties in UK, etc. Do thorough research to pick the suitable one. Requirements for UK work visa. Once you finally see the visa type, you need to fulfill the requirements. Here are the key aspects. Have a full-time job offer from a licensed UK employer. They must issue a certificate of sponsorship. Meet the English language proficiency criteria. Take an IELTS or PTE exam. Salary above the minimum income threshold. This keeps changing, so verify updated amount. Educational qualifications and work experience as demanded by the role visa. Clear criminal record and health checks. Undergo TB screening. Pay the healthcare surcharge to access NHS benefits. Show sufficient funds to cover initial accommodation and living. Provide biometrics like fingerprints and photographs. As you can see, the requirements are strict, especially for work visas. Prepare each document meticulously from qualifications and police certificates to health insurance. Applying for a UK visa. Once your paperwork is fully ready, it's time to apply. Here are key steps. Submit the online application form on the UK Gov.it website. Fill all details accurately. Book an appointment at the nearest visa application center. Pay the visa fees. The cost differs based on nationality and visa type chosen. Attend the appointment and submit your fingerprints, photographs, and supporting documents. Track your application status online. It can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 3 months. If approved, your passport will be stamped and returned with the visa. Carefully review all visa conditions about validity, work rights, etc. before travel. The visa application process seems lengthy, but following it correctly is important for approval. Stay calm and patient during the waiting time. Traveling to the UK on a new visa. Finally, your hard work has paid off and you have received your UK visa. Here are some tips for your travel. Book the flight ticket only after getting the visa. Also look into accommodation options. Carry important documents like educational certificates, police clearance certificates, and employment contract in hand luggage. Pack suitable clothing for the UK weather and culture. Carry medicines if needed. Have sufficient funds for initial weeks of stay, including transport from the airport. Register with a GP once you arrive and arrange for a local phone number. Be aware of your visa validity and conditions of stay in the UK. Enjoy the new culture, but also be responsible and follow all rules and laws. Adjusting to a new country can take time, so be mentally prepared. I'm wishing you the very best for your new life and career in the United Kingdom. Conclusion. So, in this video, we looked at the entire process. from choosing a UK visa type to finding a job, relocating, and adjusting to everyday life in Britain. I hope all the details help if you are considering moving to the UK for work. As always, feel free to post any other questions you have in the comments section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.